Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahman Anjum. Welcome to my channel, Anjum's Ravishing English. A few stars are known which are hardly bigger than the earth. A few means चंद एक कुछ. Option A. Some. Option B. Little. Option C. Many. Option D. A lot of. The correct option is A. Some. Millions of stars are wandering about in space. Wandering means इधर उधर फिरना. Option A. Burning. Option B. Roaming. Option C. Floating. Option D. Swimming. The correct option is B. Roaming. The stars are immense balls of fire. Immense means बहुत बड़े, वसी. Option A. Tiny. Option B. Similar. Option C. Various. Option D. Huge. The correct option is D. Huge. Some 2,000 million years ago, this rare event took place. Rare means गैर मामूली, नायाब. Option A. Strange. Option B. Uncommon. Option C. Common. Option D. Frightening. The correct option is B. Uncommon. Most of the stars travel alone. Alone means अकेले, तन्हा. Option A. Lonely. Option B. Separately. Option C. Aloof. Option D. Exclusively. The correct option is A. Lonely. A few stars are known which are hardly bigger than the Earth. Known means मालूम, जाने हुए. Option A. Existed. Option B. Present. Option C. Working. Option D. Famous. The correct option is D. Famous. The space beyond the Milky Way is immensely cold. Milky Way means कहकशां. Option A. Star cluster. Option B. A shining star. Option C. A dim star. Option D. Planets. The correct option is A. Star cluster. It is easy to understand why a star seldom finds another near it. Seldom means बहुत कम, कभी कभार. Option A. Often. Option B. Frequently. Option C. Strength. Option D. Rarely. The correct option is D. Rarely. The planet Earth gave birth to life. Gave birth to means जन्म दिया. Option A. Produced. Option B. Degenerated. Option C. Decomposed. Option D. Devastated. The correct option is A. Produced. An immense tidal wave was raised on the surface of the sun. Tidal means मद्दोजज़र वाली. Option A. Tiring. Option B. Battling. Option C. Streaming. Option D. Trickling. The correct option is C. Streaming. Are you ready for more fun learning? Then like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.